46 viewers, 93 likes. Let's get to 150 likes. Everyone hit the market will bless us.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, chat, why pre? Now you hear me loud and clear? Today, may I react to our mentor stream, bro. You see me? So we can take away from the stream, so we can learn. I probably take a trade today, but me not really like, me not really like, I make a dog lead the way. You see me? Today, I'm just a watch and learn. I dog even stream often too. Maybe I go live, I'm just say fuck it, man. I just react to this live, you know. You see me? Think me did react to one video them before when we are track like in micro movements within like the higher time frame. That I old video me react to. Hold on, let me see if I can pull up this fast and quick. I'll have to put the bird on charge, bro. And chat, I'm just move that, move that. Alright, we're good. So bro, dog live right now. Dog name Danvo on YouTube. Dog live. As I'm say chat, I am teach me everything, so I watch his stream and so I can learn from it, you see me? I'm unmute this. Buy or sell. People love rage bait dog with that. Buy or sell, buy or sell. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. I'm put the bird on charge off forward.
If I buy, I don't think we're close to buys yet, but I gotta see. I gotta see if we buy, it'll probably be somewhere above like 41, 5144. So, I'm assuming stops can be. I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta see how big stops are gonna be if we come up there.
I don't know if the dog I go enter. I go follow along. You see me? If the dog I go enter, probably can just jump into, but man I go trade blindly though. I go follow I'll follow along. See if we can learn some. I mean well too. Cause I never trade blindly, not even with my mentor dog, you see me? Any trade where I jump in, I would have to follow along. I agree with the idea behind I trade before I enter. So yeah, go do that. You see, but hold on, give me a second. Pull up. Hold on. Mm. Alright, child, let me see something. Alright. Where's the other one I'm gonna have? Mute. Walk out with the stick. Yeah, I got my thing. Oh, see it. Alright, run the ball game. Go full screen. Yeah, dog, I say.
Swing positions? I
Let's fucking restart my thing. Walk out with a stick. Walk out with a sealer. See, I have a level at 68. Level at 32.
How much is this? This is 470. You break the highs.
How many do you say again? You have on next level, right? 32. Somewhat over so. 35, right? So.
Maybe a weak entry sell, because then that fills. Earlier we had wick entry ideas for here, right? But this already retraced. That was removed. Um, we missed it by I think 20 pips there, 35 pips, something like that, right? But yeah, you.
David didn't know that I look for buys. Well, I'm turn up this a little bit.
Range fill.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn up my mic chat.
And you don't want to take a wick entry sell when it's filling the range, because when it fills the range, you can just fill it.
Hopefully that
So
not too
the
low.
regular highs, which is the top wick area, will be like 5143, which could be a wick entry. So it's just really far, right?
Yeah, session might done.
I mean,
Bro, man, there for like 30 minutes.
That could be an idea for later if that does come near. And then continuation below 5068 if it continues. But it's just kind of been hovering here. But yeah, 5143 could be some.
Bro, may I be honest, me even think we're gonna get weekend sales all the way up there, so bro. Unless it are there till 12 o'clock. That you have some volume in our market, bro. If market push all the way up there, so. Man, they have 30 minutes though by 11 o'clock. I call it a session. I'm just a react to his stream. You see me say if we can learn something, bro. And I call it a day. Come leave it like up. I'm not trade today.
All right.
I say something like
don't like apply too much pressure on like figuring zones out, but just like grab an area that you want to focus on. Like grab a section you want to focus on. Right? So for me right now, I'm looking at, you can use this. You can mark up these two areas here. Something here, right? This is like the resistance. This is like the next support. And then on the small time frame, you go with that. And then you're just looking at this from like your combined.
Oh, somebody asks, how do you identify key levels? Probably that is I gotta explain.
How will things look now if it were to tap into this zone at 5211? Right? At that point, you can see right here that if this were to come back up towards 5211, this would now be a higher low for it to come up, and there's a chance that above 5211 can be continuation to correct the rest of the move, because this could still be a higher low, right? It looks like something's stopping here for now. If this were to reject, which it did, 5056, come up.
5211, which by upon like the all eyes. So.
Then that's your continuation. Below here, you can look for a continuation of ideas. So then you go on a small time frame, and then you put like 2 and 2 together. But to start, like, you don't need to have too many zones, right? For me, it's just like 2-3 zones usually.
And I'm not like when too much lined up on each chart for true.
I think it pushes down heavy as soon as you get off. Let's see. 25 more minutes. See what price does here. It's not pushing up too fast too, right? So the retracement isn't too quick. Um, this could have not like this could not even be the move of the day, right? Like it's 700 pips still, but it hasn't been too like directional in terms of price action. So you don't want to be blinded by pips, right? Um, like this move like 600, 700 pips, but you want to look at structure. Like how did it really come down? Like this right here, if you look at it, it's still kind of not that consistent, right? You kind of just came down, pause, range, came down. Like it's not really
Yeah, chat.
directional.
And that's why I'm saying yo, me leave like really. I not really trade today. But since the dog a stream, I just react to his stream same way as him because even on days where I take no trade, I can still learn a lot, bro. That's why I'm just show up to the same way. But market market kinda lame today, dog. Start for range. Probably price I go pick up around 12 o'clock in time there. Like last time after our end stream, right after our end stream, we break out our range. So yeah, bro. That's why I'm leave like follow up goal today. Just so I go and same way
So
though.
you can still get a move that's like a lot bigger than what
Nah,
happened today.
really like
But we can only be on for so long.
nah, I expect nothing crazy.
What's up, Wall Street Sniper?
Deal drop video. I never see this. All the US and Iran war affect everyday people. I don't know, probably shit I go cost more. Some
No,
of
no
them
trees, man.
some
I'm gonna
people
get
are gonna drop
copyrighted.
out. I be a
Yeah.
fool in this I go in early. Be a fool in this, bro. Probably some people are gonna drop out, some people are gonna bills are gonna get more expensive. I don't feel like I'm not serious still, yeah, bro. So I just it's soon like everything we are going, you're soon gonna hear nothing about it again. I just some look fine. I'm not serious.
What's up, bye, Fabian? A broker will recommend for someone doing trading? What broker would you recommend for someone starting doing trading? I think it's like location based, so maybe search up brokers in your area. Type in your broker and country, or type in trading FX broker and country.
Bro, if this thing has start move, bro. I'm gonna say like hold on, child, I'm run like a small analysis on goal. So I go. Let me just move the levels after right now. I'm gonna get some levels for myself. Man, so I'll go on. Fast and quick. Get the levels then mark up as usual. For kangaroo ranges. So 06. Why I think we have a level like yeah 52 level. Like for kangaroo ranges drop down to like the hourly time frame. Oh good, we're good. Drop down to hourly. Barely have freaking range to left. Print a top with 51.21. I'm gonna say so why you like expect price for breakout, but for some reason we are struggle just start for range. As you can see on like a minute time frame, so probably we're gonna need another top week. We got 3 minutes left. until it's 15 close. Probably go have to print another top wick before price push down. Most likely, go need liquidity. So me I go do. I say like push pop in a pass price was able to top or push up towards 93. I'm see some look left. Can I put a level at if I expect this to be top high range? I got 99, 98. Yeah, so the price would have basically have to re-break the high, top this level right here, so 98. And then if we get some rejection, closure back below 80, re-break the lows, we pull off for sales going down. To that time we have to wait for see I'm though. Stream a lag. But probably going to need a steeper high chat because why price and push down, I don't know, we just arrange. Anytime you see prices start range like this, after like a consolidation, you're expecting next thing after that, we get some liquidity. You see me, and some people call it manipulation. So liquidity, and if price re-break the lower, you'll expect like we continue down and fill the wick. You see my chat. So it sells then going down decent. We put another level at the re-break of the lows. So the re-break of the all the lows right, so would I expect a top wick at 98? And if he buys them going up though, I don't have an idea for buys yet, chat. In order for take buys, would I need like range to breakout above like above 89. Range 2 breakout, not the first breakout, because 89 is a resistance level. So that way if a price do something like this, that was the price push up. See la. If price push up, breakout, the resistance, that way if a price like wherever price reject from, wherever price find resistance, push back down, retest. If a retest and will actually hold 89 or 98, sorry, and push straight back up, get like closures above, go for buys once you close above like range 2. Put like buys on the candle flip, buy stop, or go for weekend buys once you retest. Here's my chat, but would I avoid the first breakout? First breakout, we'll have to avoid that because we have resistance at 98. So range 2 buys above, and if price reject from 98 and close back below, we could have sales going down. Here's my chat. Fill the range. But that are two ideas them I have resume. So just wait and see. Because right now we're range. See if we can get some breakout. We got like 15 minutes left until we call it a session. So some not gonna there for too long. You see me? Not gonna there for too long. We have news tomorrow, by the way. I'm gonna say today 5. Week done fast still. I'll try. We have some news tomorrow. So 8:30, I have to make sure I'm forward early, dog. Got more on there. More on there for news. I'm gonna start stream around 8 o'clock the time there. I'm sorry, dog. I talk about.
Right? So for me, after that, I'm off. So you just protect for that fake out. Yeah. Basically, like, I just ask myself, at what point am I going to be looking for buys at? So that stop loss changes, right? Because like the amount changes, but the strategy stays the same. Because conditions change. So then you just adjust your lot size after that to how big the stop is.
Ray, you know, I know a dog will trade with no stop loss. I swear.
I guess I'm involved at 11. Yeah, at 11, what I do is I
I
set a
think I
session
did
stop
done
loss.
for
Same thing as
himself.
yesterday. Come on, mark up my
Already
zone, and then I'm
weeks.
just like, okay, at what point is I'll place the zone, and when it taps that zone, I'll call it a day.
Dog
Good thing
say
red
yo,
candle.
dog say yo in trade off a structure. The man no use no stop loss, bro. The man wait for like closures and breakout. Man not freaking like in have like a set stop loss. Man know how he do it.
Like
No feel
until
like
like 5,181, I don't know. It's still within the range. You see this range here? It's still within this 1,200 pip range. So the directional wise, it's still gonna be a struggle, right? You haven't had direction maybe since like the 3rd, 2 days ago, on Monday, and that's when we also
bro.
got that trade on Monday.
I may tell the chat
But
like this week the market kinda lame this week, bro. Like I told everybody I expect it for just push up still. Everybody I expect buys. Market just we are moving, I'm not saying nah move, but we not really like I do nothing crazy. We just like a range most of the time and we start. I notice around 8 o'clock then time the market move. So once it touch like 9:30, 10 o'clock, it just slow down, bro. That's why I'm leaving a fall like up.
those moves were fast, right? That must have been the move of the day. But if you look at it, you zoom out, you look at it, it's like you can still get a 1-2 pop correction. Like you can literally still get this for the day. It takes 2-3 candles to correct this entire range because it came
That I
down very
choose still.
slowly. If this was to be consistently bearish, it would have even had a pop, continuation, and continuation, right? But it took like a couple hours to come down. So it's not as heavy yet. That's why like for continuation, we want to confirm below 50.68. But you can still get a correction just as fast. And that's why if you do get a correction just as fast up towards 5143, that's my wick entry sell. First initial reaction though. If it's not the first initial reaction, above there for buy ideas, but I think that might take a lot longer to come. Because you got to close above, sell down, all of that. Right? But this is still considered in the range. It's not that fast as it seems. What is this?
Whatever I saw.
You'd be good. You bad, man. Just believe.
Judge of that.
What's the reason behind the leg candle? We started looking at it a couple years ago. Just a way to read structure. I thought that really is a leg candle. Yeah, you have one right here actually. But yeah, just a way to read structure. It's not really like anything different from what we've been doing. Just the micro movements in the leg candles what we're looking at. So like a leg candle would be like this. Something like this.
I learned what's
Right?
a
So
late
if you have a
candle
leg
chart.
candle looking like that, usually you'll get continuation down. But what we look at on a small time frame is the micro movements, right? So what happens is usually would come down towards the body area, reject, or range here does whatever it wants to do, re-break the lows, pull back and hold, and continuation. And then our sells would be like usually below here, right? So we're looking at the higher time frame leg candle fill, but on the small time frame we're looking at just structure. So lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, continuation.
Oh, so usually whenever we have like a late candle, next candle usually push down and I feel the wick. And I basically like, I understand what I just say. I base off a structure. That just draw everything look well. But I'm gonna start implement that because I'm just aware of it, but I'm not start use it. I'm gonna start track that too. Late candle.
I think today I'm gonna give it like 5.5. I think that's pretty fair. We had one idea, wick entry sells, and that was it. 5.5, I'll give it. I think better. Yesterday I gave it a 5. Today is a little better, but could be a lot better.
double stream, bro. I'm drop a like on the
Two
stream.
ideas, three ideas, I give it a 6 usually. 4 ideas, I give it a 6.5, and then 7, 8, 9, 10. That's like 7, 8, 9, 10 ideas, but we don't really get 6.5 out of 10 that much, or we don't really get 7 plus. You had 3 trades. Nice. Yeah, I had none today.
I know me never
I think the
get a
longest we went
trade
was
today.
like a week without a trade. I think
I could tell whenever I get a trade to the chat. It's like, bro, more or less a similar stream, bro. I just look on the market and it's like, I just can't tell, say, we're not going to really do nothing today. You see me? Today not going to be like directional or anything like that, bro. You can just look on the market and tell us based off how we move. The only push we get, that start round when. As I'm say, when? I think around 8 o'clock then time there. The whole real movements we get, bro. From 8 o'clock we start move, go straight down towards 10. See once price reach 10 a.m., I say everything start just range. So once I see that, I know, bro. It's like price usually move from like 8 would I start move, and like move 8 would I freaking slow down once you reach 10 o'clock and pick up back speed 1 o'clock then time there. Right after my end stream. Cause me always end stream like level 12. Me end stream like 12 o'clock, market just arrange. Just get like a hour, bro. When as 1 o'clock chip in and so start break out. And the volume pick up again. When I got up, probably I just like start stream early, you see me? I start stream from freaking 7. If the market continue this ranging thing, bro. Cause about like the third time. For you all a week, I saw the market a move. Since the week start, bro. I'm go up.
8 trades in February, like only 8. So very limited. But yeah, we went like I think we went that entire week
Undefeated.
with no trades until Friday, and then Friday we had 1 trade that made up for the last 2 weeks. Here too. Oh yeah, that was Christmas though.
Bro, that journal crazy, yeah.
Yeah, like 4 days of our trades the most.
Dog have a compound interest checker. I think, bro, overtraded. You say that take freaking 300 trade in 1 day.
Am I doing this right?
Just freaking speed that up, bro. I see that freaking
No, has he? No. I play iRacing. iRacing at LMU. It's 5 a.m. here.
Chat, we'll call it a day in the next 5 minutes, bro. You see me? As me say, like, more expect goal for that, bro. We're actually top. But alright, so now my mama telling me I see if price can like we re-break the highs just now. I can't talk. Re-break the highs just now, so I see if we get some rejection, price will have a close all the way back below. This would basically just be like a fake out if that happen, if we get like a closure back below. So after we get a fake out, we should be able to Wagalofa cells going down towards the range field, but this I think though. And I think that gonna happen like within 5 minutes. It's possible, but the volume look dead, bro. You see me? We have like it's a range of how much? Let me see. We have like a 180 pip range. I say 1 minute can go push 180 pips before. So it's possible to fill the range in 5 minutes, but I don't know. We'll just wait and see. Got 5 minutes left though.
You're no, not from Europe. That's okay. Rule number 1: close always when you take the SS. True. True. Let's see. Could it be continuation? So you have a 1 hour closers. Yeah. So it's gonna be 11. Let's see. Maybe this can correct it faster than it came up here.
Nah, it took 69 trades.
Let's see. These are very
69
important areas
trades
right
in
here
a
between
week.
these zones.
Dog, I go crazy.
I'll say between here and between
Aimbo 69,
maybe here.
67.
Very important area.
Why a 67 though? Why a 67? Oh, I probably dog that was sending in chat when I draw out. I love your fuck with me say that, bro. You think me I go find that?
Over under. Over under if we're gonna move today after we hop off. What do you guys think? Over under if we move after we hop off.
Bro, let me see that, but laugh.
Introducing Iron Beam, the best choice for futures trading.
Mute that. Yo, let me see this, my laugh, dog. Hold on, go back. Bro. I get magic, color, everything, bro.
You'd be good. You bad, man.
Jaja, bro.
What is this? Yeah, you'd be alright, bro. You'd be good.
I give him hope. Man, saying it takes 67 trades this week, bro. Still a range or breakout. The printer low. As I said, buys. If I look for buys chat, that would have most likely be above range 2.
Oh, chat, we're moving here.
Yes, me. Buys above range 2. Just break out the range once and nothing yet.
So 1 hour closure. Hey, 3 it could be doable. This move here was actually pretty decent. Let's see if this can continue up here. Let's see. Or you get a correction back down, right? It's in the middle, but this blue range is important. I think once you start breaking above here, it gets a bit interesting. Maybe a little higher here. But yeah. We'll give it a couple more minutes, and then we'll place a session stop loss for the 1 hour candle, and then we'll go from there. See if we get something today.
Bro, I must say, I think I just wait for like the 15 year check. Not even the 15. No, fuck that, bro. I get like 5 more minutes, bro. You see me? In the next 5 minutes, if price like if the volume's still dead, I call it a stream. You see me? if a volume still there, then just a range. We break out, but as I'm saying, when I look for no buys above range one, we're still in our range. That's why that just says me. If we look for buys, it would have to be like above range two. That evenly right one. Anything above your so that be decent. And it depends upon how price push up to. You see me? But since price just break out a range one, this could easily be like a fake out for price close back into the range. And then this would have be you could have called that liquidity. But we have to just wait and see. We got 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes we see what's going. No go on, we just call it a day. I never like expect a trade today still. Because as I'm saying, the market just a range. I never like expect nothing. But still just 3Dog live. I just say, I'm just spark a stream and forward go learn something with it now. I even up on days when I get in a trade, I still can like learn and like, you see me? But I'm unmute this.
Yeah, close. Like yeah, structure. I'll say main thing. I know they apply that. Yeah, we can't use Zoom. Like I would use Zoom, but Zoom's. I think people share the Zoom link. I can only do it with the role, which is Discord.
But chat, I really done teach me everything me know about trading, bro. I swear to you, is I'm I only him alone like much when it comes on to like trading strategy and whenever I implement something new, it's like a whole like trader me like learn everything from. I have like a lot of trader I watch. And not a lot of them stream either way. But Wix 9, if you don't know who is Wix 9, you can check him out too. But Dan from Wix 9 basically teach me everything you know about trading. Them money are tough for real. And they stream, they have like a track record, you see me? So that's a good thing about it. You can just jump on a live stream and learn. They're not just like post after they win, you know what I mean? You get like a full breakdown, like your analysis, you wait for your entries, everything. Pana Mercedes, clean fuck. But yeah, let me unmute this. 11:04. We have like a minute left, bro. Look like we're back into the range. Retest. Yeah, just like a retest. Nothing serious. I even create this a playbook at the chat. It's a playbook here I always show you. But for any planning, go
I
straight
just use your drive method and it works.
advanced concept, market
On what
structure, and
pair?
execution.
Not this pair for sure.
I even create like a wall of this. You see me?
What pair you use it on?
Wall of them. This a execution, like when you plan for your trades and then think they like exactly how to do it. And things them for watch out for, things them we usually wait pan. You see me? The whole entire strategy just in a one place. It's actually like I actually rated dog for this, bro. Oh, like I not really everybody have like what you call it? Like stuff like this, bro. And everybody have anything, key levels. Bro, amount of thing this for freaking go over, bro. Whole heap of information. But some of them I kind of already know them already, especially like key levels chart. The thing is that when I like go over like a advanced concept, like reading can go backwards. And
what else is tomorrow?
Tracking like
I think tomorrow you have retail sales too at the same time as NFP. So it's a little bit of both.
In micro movements, as I'm gonna say. Oh, I push down. Can we break out? That would have been decent if we break out chat. That would have been decent, bro. And as I'm say, see, we break out a range one. Price break out a range one. And what happened? We avoid the buys because this could easily be a fake out and price close back into the range. And that's exactly what happened. So that's why we avoid range one buys, chat. Only way we look for range one buys is with the trend. You see my chat. If the trend like bullish, then cool, you could look for buys above range one because the trend bullish. But in a bearish trend like this, once price close above, like what just happened just now, you have to be careful. Buys then going up can easily be a trap. And this could easily be liquidity. So if price close back below the range, we could have like sells going down after like a top wick. You see my chat. So that would be idea. Hold on, let me forward. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. I'm just unmute this.
In here, and then I think by April we'll be rolling. And we'll figure stuff out. Let's see. So look, this move coming down was a bit better than this move coming up, right? Corrected a bit of it. So same idea still. Below, you want to see the continuation below 68 here. So let's see if you can make your way down there. So pay attention to the way it comes down too, right? Like how fast these pushes are. Very important. And I think we'll start placing a session stop loss here. Let's see. If you flip bullish, we'll place one at this low. I think for the session stop loss to go down, I won't place that yet. In case it just does flip and just rip up fast because it's starting to pick up in volume here. But yeah, I'll leave it as this. All yap and no action. Hold on, I'm trying here, you know, I'm just waiting for price to move. Yeah, man, I just want to see how long we'll be doing this for first.
All yapping and no trades, bro. Yo, the money in I chat, a sample man, you know. Dark say it takes 67 trades this week. Woke up in account.
I think if we, yeah, I think if we start breaking below 71, I'll just start placing the session stop loss above 104 because that will come down like 360 or 330. And if it's not direction continuation and it flips, then that'll be GG's. We won't be here for the continuation back up if it comes up.
Mute that again. The chat. Sealer. We have plans, as I'm say. Cause even though me I watch a dog stream, that I mean say like what ideas are exactly the same. What ideas like slightly different. Me did I expect like once price close below 80, yeah, expect like with a wave of some rejection and then a rebreak at the lows. You see my chat. So we close below. We're gonna wait and see if price can reject, print a high, and then rebreak the lows. So close for sales going down. Well, let me get some more levels mark up. Let me see the range what we have going down. That would have been how much? That would have been 95. Can put another level right here, so make this blue because this is my 4 level. Alright, so that right this so we expect a top week right here, so get a top week at 84. Put this right here, so Earnings price top 84, you'd expect some rejection. This can go close below the 25th, 23. I'm gonna go on 15. We got 3 minutes left until the 15 close. Decent. So we're going, so print a high. Can we get like a closure but below chat? This is exactly what I want to see. The price close below 80. And then the next can go close bullish. But we close bullish respecting. After we break below, get like some rejection. A rebreak at the lows would be decent. So no price would look like this. Price push down, push up, and rebreak its lows. So I expect continuation of sales going down. Easy me. So just can we get like a rebreak at the lows and if price close back above, then we just wait. Easy me. Get like closures back into the range, I would just call it a stream. Another top week after we closed. Bearish. I have 2 minutes left. Choice 15. We got 2 minutes left. As me bear in mind, I like the lower time frame and close below. We need to get like a 15 closure yet, so can easily like if we're not getting an entries on like a smaller time frame, minute, could just wait for like the 15 closure, because the next 15 minute can go and need a top wick. Here's my chart. So the next 15 minute candle left will close below. The next 15 minute candle could easily look something like this. We'll push up, retest. This would be like the resistance once we touch this level, price flip. And the candle that looks something like this. So we have to just wait a minute and 30 seconds, see if we can get this 15 minute if we actually close below a structure. You see me? So patience. And if we close respected, call it a session because now we're back into the range. You see me? So I'm waiting to see how this can go close.
See how fast this push is. Like, see how it's starting to pick up a little bit. Let's see. And see if this can glitch straight through. And then I think below 68 it shows. Below 68 it shows like next range is gonna be maybe a lot lower. I don't know if it's gonna be 31. It could be 5.
Just keep that out.
Up 560 pips today. That's like 50 pips, bro. It's light work. Today's conditions. So like a couple trades today for everybody.
560. On BE1 right now. Yeah, them probably up early. Like RI range market then trade.
Caught pre-NYC and pineapples. Pre-NYC. Oh, 9 to 9:30. Very nice, very nice. W, Mr. Potential.
As always.
No, drink coffee. It's black coffee. Always coffee. Oh, I can do a poll here. Yo, I can switch to a members only live stream too. Start.
So chat. What we just notice is like we push back up and we print a high at 84. We could look for cells and the rebreak at the low, but the reason why I'm not gonna like, not gonna just wait, not gonna do that. Previous 15 close, bearish respecting, you see me? So this 15 could easily like, since we're within the range, if it's 15 push flip bullish, sorry, if we flip bullish, the other one in a cells and this can go flip back into the range and we never close below the range, so we have to be careful. So that's why yeah, cells below, not yet. Now look for no cells below as yet. Just because I 15-minute time frame and we'll close. We'll close all the way in our range. You see me? If a previous 15 did close bearish below, then that would have been decent, but that never happened. See you. So I just get some new ideas. You see me? Price fill range, GG's. Still got range going down. So it have to be range to break out below like I'm adjust this 73. What the range we got going down by the way? So we got range going down towards 63. Could I even put that on the hourly wick fill too? It's 63 good for right now. Measure that by the way. Like 100 pip range, put that a little bit higher. 65. So chat, if we break below 75, you'll like expect we push down and fill the range. And we have support at like 50, 66. At a range you'll expect it fill if price manage to break below. That's our idea. And of course, like we have like retests in some top wick before look for sales going down. You see me? So dog, if dog have no ideas. As usual, bro. As usual.
I felt it for a second. Like, I'll give it another 5 minutes here. Chat, I think for real though, if we don't move here for another 5 minutes, but
it's always
11:25.
As soon as the end stream, we start move. That just I don't know why, bro. I don't know why, bro. Anytime you like me, I trade live and the market arrange, would I like stuck in a range? We just will call it a day end stream. Then I see the price just start break out. Yes, sir, bro. It's like that happened to like every streamer, bro. Feel I'm PC a lag.
I don't want to get. I already got one strike. Ever since I got one strike, things have been going downhill. So I don't want to get another strike. I don't know why like I can't just play music and then I just pay the people. I pay the J people money. Cause like that's what it is, right? I pay the labels money.
So you have to pay them money like whenever you pay.
Like, I'm fine doing that. You can take all my revenue for a stream. Let me play music, but they just kind of give you a strike. Yo, signal. It's working. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Re-break. Range get filled before we
Okay.
even get a closure below.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, so a little bit of volume kicking in. Let's see. So you tap in 68 again. Let's see if we can start pushing below 68 here. So like you want to see a break below 60 ideally, but if you get a break below 660 and then pull back towards 68, the re-break of that low, right? But the second re-break, not the first, okay? I mean, you can take whatever you want if you see ideas, but I need a confirmation that this isn't gonna be like a fake out still. Yes, I still need confirmation. Yes, I know it moved like 100 million pips today down. Just get in. No, I have to wait for that confirmation or else it's just not my trade. So we'll see what we can do here. It's starting to move though. You need another push like this though. And our session stop loss right now is gonna be 5105, but I'm just gonna start trailing. Let's just move it down towards 5096, and we'll keep doing that as the session goes on.
We make a rave till morning come. Man, let me go back over here. So fill the range, bro. Fill the range and then press start for reject. Or could you like, of course, I say I look for sales below. If we can print a high and close below, but if I realize like price never even close below, this minute can just push straight down. Would I look for sales if we get like closure and another top week? We could look for sales expecting a range fill, but this minute can just drop straight down. And then we'll open up without even bottom we can fill the range. So just have to wait. As my dog say, range 2 cells, we could look for that. Could still look for range 2 cells below. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and see if we can get that instead of the range fill. Is him chat? Try to skip this back outside. I'm not the freaking all the way back in the stream. Later.
Something else is here too on the way down. At 55, could be a BE zone or something. The re-break of this low down there is 40 pips. Could start trailing below there. TP could be here. Yeah, maybe. That's 140. Got push though, 80 pips. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trail my stop loss, my session stop loss down again. Let's move it down towards 50, 85. Because if it's not this move, then I don't know what move it will be, right?
I swear, man, I know either.
Kind of spend some time ranging.
Parents, if your child plays Roblox, listen up. You could qualify for up to $300,000 or more in
not target the rank smarty.
Yes, put 85% on the poll. What if we don't hop off?
Targeting suck. Where we break the lows.
If we can get him before 55, that would be sweet. There's a chance you can push through this range once you break below the lows, right? But I need that to break. And then pullbacks can be like to here, like 6-7 zones. 6-7, 6-8.
Why, bro?
Once you break the lows.
Chips are almost done.
Though not too consistent on the way down.
Bro, I'm even pay gold on mine, you know, man. So we'll break and we'll get a retest. Hold on, let me get some other levels, bro. I'm focus. We already filled the range easily, bro. Goal now play. But I say next support level or next range that I expect to get filled. We have a level like 56. I'm gonna adjust this. Put this. Bro, I need to start freaking do my thing them way faster, bro. Put this at 60. I expect a top week right also. I can go even a little lower than that. Put this right also. Put this right also. And that upon a rebreak at the low as well. And we rebreak the lows just now, chat. So we rebreak the lows, yeah. Rebreak the lows. So say if price can actually push down and rebreak for a second time, or if this is enough, the price gonna pop back into the range. If we close back into the range, may I call it a session.
Fuck, I'm muted. Sorry, guys. I was saying like
that just a spam.
I was saying below 59. So you want to see that re-break the lows, which it kind of did, and then you want to see a retest of 6-7, right? Which you kind of have. So if this can come down in one motion, could be a re-break. But if it's slow, like if it takes some time to kind of come back down, and it's not one clean motion, then second re-break, which is more so below 5-5, right? But this like barely broke, right? So volume isn't consistently there yet. It's still kind of like struggling on the way down too. And we have a session stop loss placed at like 50.85. So if that breaks, then we'll call it a day, which is the 15-minute flip. So nothing yet, but a little closer. But yeah, you have a lot of range. Like technically you have range until 5,006. It's just like you want to take it one range at a time, right? So the next heavy zone is like 50.44. And then below there should be clean. But these zones here are just like this 55 zone. I think it's just like my BE zone or something where I want to manage risk at. But you have a lot of range. You have a lot of range. It's just a matter of price and drive. How long is that muted for? I didn't really say too much. Are you guys ready in sells? No. We're waiting for price to show that it's actually bearish. How do you know if I for live? You hit subscribe and then you hit the bell button. Did I count out? Yeah, I'll explain in a bit. This thing's moving right now, so we might get something. Let's see. Yeah, I need someone to do timestamps. Somebody want to do timestamps for the stream? If you want to do timestamps, just do timestamps and post it in the comments. I appreciate it.
Dog. Close. I'm not sure which about close. 63 within the range. Rebreaking the lows now once again. We could easily fill the range going down towards we'll fill the range going down towards 47, which I blue line I'm have. I could reject from 52. Just depends. I'll see if we can get like closures below on some top wicks. That would have been decent.
Ready. Get ready. So that was a nice glitch. Yeah. So yeah, same thing. We couldn't get this right on the rebreak, so this is fine. If this can pull back towards like 59 zones, and then rebreak the lows of 55, we can look for something below 55. If it taps 50-60, right? You want to see 50-60 probably. I just use a minor zone. And then on the way down, we could look to manage risk. Like here could be a BE zone. And then trail stops would be below there. Oh, guys, give me like 2 minutes. Hold on.
Jojo. Oh, yeah, I go like with a stumble before. You have to make it when you're humble for sure. And with them, they're gonna sleep on the floor. Now start trade on the gram, bro. Then we can play music, dog. That's the only thing me hate about YouTube, bro. You not allow you to play music. And then you just demonetize you. Then take away your channel. This whole entire week is just a freaking, what do you call it? It's a learning week. I think we take one trade for a week. Yeah. We'll take one trade this week, or we did hit break even. No, 2 trades. The first trade we take hit break even. And second trade we make like 90 pips. Yeah. 2 trades so far for a week. Tomorrow, Friday. Most likely we're gonna get a trade tomorrow though. You see me? Most likely. From family good. Bring them up. Bro, dog saying in chats, my laugh your fuck, bro. Or am I going like we not stumble before? You have to make it when you're humble for sure. You know, top week on this freaking 5. I'm see how it 30 look. 68. Do an extra 30 minutes. So chat like, bro. I'ma say, I have this 15 flip bullish back into the range, man. I call it a stream. We do an extra 30 minutes, bro. Like, I would expect we like push down, but any bullish closure back into the range at GG's, bro. Anything back above 64. How long now am I live for? Well, obviously, me can go close in like 30 seconds, chat, as I'm say. 15 flip bullish, the GGs. I just call it a day. It's probably like, see, like, a short stream. I even think I go for an hour. Probably live for like 30, 45 minutes now. 3, 2, 1. Alright, chat. So we'll close back into the range. GG's, I call it a day. I soon tomorrow. Tomorrow we have news of all out 8:30. So we are there for trade news, you see me? But that is it for right now. I just today was just a short stream. You see me? I just react to the dog live stream. So we can learn from our stream, you see me? But you know, like, whenever I expect a trade today, you see me, because it's like on days I can tell days when we're most likely to get a trade based off of like price action. And today was not one of them. At GG's though, we're still good for your week. We're up like 90 pips for your week, so we don't have to chase nothing, you see me? So we're good, bro. I just call it a stream on Fort Buck Friday. Yeah, I got expect your volume. Volume I got there Friday though. You see me, because we have all the news I found out. So Friday most likely we are gonna get a trade after news. I'm not really trading news can go, I must know that by now. I usually wait until like the news can go like take advantage of the leftover volume more news bring already followed out with. You see me, but that is it for right now, chat. Me sooner tomorrow. 8 o'clock then time then. That is it. Oh, and check out the dog by the way. Check out the dog. That vote, you can learn a lot, bro.
Hello?
The dog stream. Dog stream a lot on YouTube, isn't me? So you can learn a lot if you watch the dog. Me used to watch the dog like every single day, bro, until I learn a strategy. You see me? And that same strategy I use up till today day. Where you can see dog the whole heap of stream where you can learn from. But that is it for right now, chat. Me soon tomorrow.